So, how to pack your bags. So first off, to pack lightly, you're not gonna need this. You're gonna need one of these. So, I'm guessing that you're going on some trips somewhere and you're probably maybe going the first time, I don't know. And you're probably having problems packing. You're probably gonna go sightseeing. And because you're going sightseeing, you don't really want one of these. If they're too big, they're gonna slow you down, you know where to put them, they take up too much space, and you don't really need them. So when you're packing to go somewhere, you really wanna pack for the basics. You only need a regular backpack. Now this backpack I used throughout my schooling years, and you can basically fit everything you need. So, these are the things to pack before you go on your trip. Number one, tennis shoes. Now when you're traveling, you're gonna need a pair of these because they're extremely comfortable and you're gonna need that comfort when you're walking several miles a day. You don't wanna go in these. They're gonna get really uncomfortable in a really fast time when you're walking a lot. These on the other hand, Reebok, Nike, Adidas, whatever, perfect for walking long distances, a long time. Get these on your feet, you're gonna be fine. Now of course you want to wear those on your feet and not put them in here because you just need one pair. No matter if you're going for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, you know, you just need one pair of shoes for, you know, your regular travel. If you're going somewhere for a long time, I recommend taking a couple, and that's where that big boy comes in. Otherwise, backpack. So number two, clothes. When you're packing your travel bag, you really want to take clothes depending on how many days you're gonna stay at a place you're going. So for an example, if I'm going 4 days, I'm gonna take 4 shirts, 4 underpants, and 4 pairs of socks, plus 1 extra for each. Of course, if you're going somewhere for like 2 weeks, you should carry around a week's worth of clothing, so 7 pairs of each. So now you might be wondering how you're gonna have those fit in your backpack, and the answer is easy. You wanna roll your shirts. Just roll them down. They're gonna take a lot of less space. So as you can see, this is a week's worth of shirts. Now, besides the shirts, you also wanna carry socks. Now for socks, really simple thing. Put one in another and make them into a ball. You take a lot less space, you can just fill it up. So as you can see, a week's worth of socks. They barely take up any space right here. Week's worth of shirts. Really easy. And the same goes for, you guessed it, underwear. For the underwear, all you gotta do, roll it up, stick it in your bag. Now, for you lady dudes, of course you wanna carry bras with you, and we all know you don't change them that often. So if you put in 2 or 3 in there, you're gonna be fine. Now, even if you're going for 2 weeks, you can carry a week's worth of clothes in your bag, because at most places like hostels and hotels, you can wash your clothes for a pretty cheap fee. So now that you packed your clothes, of course you're gonna need hygiene stuff. So for personal hygiene, you shouldn't go anywhere without deodorant first. When you're traveling, you're probably gonna be really sweaty, really tired, being on a bus, on a plane, just hiking around. You're gonna need not to smell bad. Second of all, you're gonna need your toothbrush and toothpaste. You shouldn't go anywhere without brushing your teeth at least once a day. So put them in your bag as well with the deodorant. That way you know where your personal hygiene stuff is and you're fine. Shampoo and body wash. When you're traveling, you don't want to take shampoo, you want to take body wash, you don't want to take conditioner. What you want to do is have 3 in 1. This is all in here. You just use it once. It takes up a lot less space. You can use it for like, I don't know, 3 weeks. Works perfect. Just put it in there with your personal hygiene. There you go. Here we have our bag filled with our basic needs for travel. Now, of course, if you're going somewhere overseas or to another country, you're gonna need your passport. Now, in a lot of cases, if you're going somewhere safe, like Europe, for example, you don't really need to carry your passport around. So you can basically put it in, I don't know, one pocket here, with your documents, if you have any other, have it designated, have it here, and don't really take it out unless you really need it. If you're going somewhere in town, you can basically use your ID or whatever you have from your home country and you're gonna be fine. Otherwise, if you are going to an unsafe place, you want to have your passport on you on all times. However, you gotta be careful where you put it. So, when traveling to an unsafe country, you should probably wear a pair of jeans, a pair of pants. One pair of pants is fine. If you want to have another pair, put it in your bag. You're good like that. So, if you're going somewhere and you want to be safe from pickpockets, you want to put all your valuables in your front pockets. It's incredibly hard to pickpocket someone from the front pocket. So, your passport, I recommend putting in your pocket like here, alongside with your phone. The phone that you're taking, front pocket. Never put it in the back pocket. Never when traveling. Easily taken out, you won't even feel a thing. Next thing you know, oh, where's my phone? Nowhere. Same goes with your wallet and keys. Now, wallets, really something that everyone's looking for if you're going to an unsafe country. Like some country in Latin America or Africa, everyone wants them. Again, front pocket, way hard to pickpocket. So now you might be wondering, what if where I'm going it's gonna be rainy or whatever. You can also put that in all the extra space you have in your backpack. If it's gonna be cold, it's gonna be chilly, roll this as well and just put it in. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and tell me how do you pack your stuff. My name is Nick and you watched Living Ironically in Europe.